Hello, everybody, and welcome to our lecture video series for Monday, April 24th. We are continuing our conversation about thermochemistry and kind of some intro to thermodynamics. So we're going to start with a definition of enthalpy, hereby written as capital H. We're going to discuss how the mathematical forms and determinations and understandings of enthalpy are different at different conditions. So we'll first talk about enthalpy at a system that is a fixed volume, so constant volume. And then we will discuss the enthalpy of a system that is at constant pressure. This is what we are most predominantly going to deal with in Chem 210, as we'll discuss when we get here. And then we will introduce ourselves with the idea of the heat of reaction. And I'll probably be adding in some practice problems with enthalpy, heat of reaction, and even heat transfer. At constant pressure. This is all leading up for us to look at many various ways of determining the heat of reaction. So we're going to talk about things like calorimetry, which is what we're going to be doing in lab next week. We're also going to talk about some theoretical ways of determining the enthalpy of reaction, delta H reaction. Namely, we're going to talk about Hess's law, and then we're also going to talk about looking at standard heats of formation. So we will get there coming up on Wednesday, but for now, let's just kind of sit in this world of getting used to what enthalpy is and how its equation changes under various conditions and what that means for us as chemists when we look at the energy transfer that happens during a chemical reaction. So I'll see you in part one with our definition of enthalpy coming up next.